Solve the equation and check the solution. 3x minus 7 equals 11. To solve the equation, we need to isolate x on one side of the equation. To do that, we'll first add 7 to both sides. We have 3x equals 11 plus 7, or 18. We then divide both sides of the equation by 3, and we get x equals 6. Now we need to check this solution. To check, we'll substitute 6 for x into the original equation and verify that a true statement results. We have 3 times 6 minus 7, and we check that that is equal to 11. 3 times 6 is 18, so we have 18 minus 7, and on the right side of the equation we have 11. 18 minus 7 is 11, so we obtain the true statement, 11 equals 11. The solution checks, and so the solution set is the set containing 6.